Hey everybody, I just wanted to make this quick video to, I guess, give you a bit of an update on what I plan to do with this channel and just with my content in general for the website. So you may have noticed recently, if you've been following me a little bit, I've been uploading a lot more YouTube video content recently, and I've been enjoying that a lot lately, rather than just the usual, I guess, written articles that I do. And although I have no intention of stopping the writing that I'm doing, I do want to do some more of these videos and even, I guess, up the production quality a little bit if I can with this, with this new camera and this new office that I have now. So previously I've just been like recording in, I started recording in my walk-in closet in my bedroom. I moved to the a little space under the stairs where I recorded, so it was a bit awkward to record. And so I didn't really end up recording that much content. Now I've actually set up this sort of dedicated studio space in an office in my house now. So I've got everything set up when I need it. And so it's a lot easier to start recording and to do, I guess, higher production stuff like this. So my plan at this point is to do, I guess, a bit of a challenge for myself and to do 3 videos a week. I'm still going to do the article on the website as well. So I'll probably have 1 article per week on the website, and I'm planning to do videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on here. So I don't know how long I'll keep this up. I plan to do it for a little while. Ended up, I guess, maybe a year or so ago, I did daily content on the website, and that was a bit of a challenge as well. And I think a lot of people who were around at that point enjoyed that. So I guess this is going to be something similar. I'm going to just try and keep that sort of content schedule up for as long as I can. And yeah, hopefully make some cool videos. And yeah, so I'll probably be doing, maybe some more filming like this, a bit more talking stuff on camera. Don't really know anything about videography really. So if anyone has any tips on, how to do this kind of stuff, feel free to leave it in the comments. But yeah, mainly I just wanted to let everybody know what I'm planning on doing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the new content I put out. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you with some new content soon.